Hey guys, I'm Jacob. This is the Preppers Bunker Outdoors. I am here with Dalton, Cherside, and we are at BladeShow 2023. And Dalton, I wanted to see, I saw you were carrying some really cool knives, so I was wondering if you'd show that to us.
Alright.
What do you got? Is this Work Tough?
This one?
Yeah.
It's Wolverine.
Okay. That's pretty cool. You mind if I hold it up to the camera? Work Tough Wolverine, very cool blade. And you've got one that you made yourself as well, don't you?
Yes.
Here, I'm gonna flip that around for you. There you go, perfect. Look at that. Made it himself. What a cool knife. So, what I've been doing is I've been filming some pocket checks around here, seeing what cool knives people have been carrying. I saw Dalton had some awesome knives. So I'm carrying an Adventure Craft. You can hold it if you want. Check it out. Jackalope, of course. This is the Crispy Donut Community Salvation. And then the Work Tough Smilodon.
That's just like mine right here.
Yeah, pretty similar, huh?
But this one's a bit heavier and bigger.
Yeah, a little bigger and heavier.
And wider.
Huh? Yeah, Wander Tactical, what'd I say?
Work Tough.
Okay, so my wife just informed me that I said Work Tough instead of Wander Tactical. It's the third day of BladeShow, so I want to apologize to Wander Tactical.
We caught it.
It's not working. Well, but it's been a fun show. Have you had a favorite thing that you've seen at the show? Yeah?
The best one I've seen is probably, well, I don't really watch it much, but is probably like the long sword that they made.
Yeah.
And the guy that I don't remember and watch anything of these, so I don't know.
Do you have a favorite knife or a favorite booth that you saw here at the show?
It would probably be Southern Guide and another one back there.
Yeah.
That one right there.
Artisan Cutlery, yeah, that looked cool.
I just went there and they gave me free sticker and shirts, and I'm like,
That's
hey,
awesome.
why do I put a shout out?
That's awesome. Well, hey, I appreciate you coming onto my channel. We will put a link to his channel in the description box below. Make sure to check him out. I'm sure he's got all kinds of awesome content, and I am excited to see what you do and how you grow and what you do on your channel going forward. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have a blessed day.
Bye.